Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are keeping safe and well at home. Myself, Mrs. Renju, I will teach you English. Today we will learn lesson 1 in English. The name of the lesson is Vigilant Vikram. Vigilant means alert or watchful for possible signs of danger. Okay, children. When you look at the first page, page number 2 in your textbook, you can see two children are riding on a bicycle. They are talking something each other. The boy says, "What's that smell?" The girl says, "Yuck, it's so strong, I can't breathe." Then the boy is asking again, "Where is this foul smell coming from?" Foul smell means very bad smell. The girl is answering, "I think it is coming from Vikram's house. Let's find out what has happened." Okay, children, before starting the lesson, let me ask you a few things. Are you all very small children that you cannot solve a difficult situation in your life by yourself? So you always ask help from your parents or elders in your house. But sometimes your parents may go outside for any work. Then if you face any difficult problem or a difficult situation to face, whom you will call? Yes, it's definitely our good neighbors. Children, neighbors can play a very good role in our lives. Some good neighbors are like our family members. We can share anything with them. They will come with the help at any time whenever we need. So we have to keep a good relationship with our neighbors. Then one more thing. We all are using cooking gas in our house. Cooking gas is very easy thing to cook our food. We can reduce the flame, we can increase the flame, we can on it fast, off it fast. Isn't it? At the same time, it is so dangerous for our life if we do not take care of it, or if any gas leakage happens in our house, if we don't know what are the precautions we have to take, then also it may cause death. So children, through this lesson, we will learn what are the things we should remember if there is a cooking gas leakage in our house. Okay, let's start our lesson. The two main characters of this lesson are two boys. The elder one is Vikram and the younger boy is Karan. One day what happened, you know? These two boys were alone in their house. Their parents went out for a meeting in the office. So suddenly it's happened, there was a gas leakage in their house. Okay, now let's start our lesson and we will learn how they solved that situation and whom they called for help. Okay, children. So I am going to start the lesson. You also read along with me and I will explain in between, so you have to listen carefully. Karan, my younger brother and I were alone in our apartment. So Karan and Vikram, they were alone in their apartment. My parents had gone out for a meeting. So their parents went out for a meeting and had left me in charge of the house. So parents gave all the responsibility of the house to big boy Vikram. I was doing my homework. Who was doing homework? Vikram was doing his homework while my younger brother was watching television. Who was watching television? Yes, Karan was watching television. Suddenly the doorbell rang. So somebody came outside. My younger brother rushed to the door thinking that our parents had come home. He had asked them to bring him his favorite vegetable sandwich. So small boy Karan, he went running to open the door because he thought his parents had come home and he already ordered his, or he told to his parents to bring his favorite vegetable sandwich. He unlocked the door and opened it. Who unlocked the door? Yes, Karan opened the door. A salesman selling storybooks stood on the on the doorstep. So who was standing there? Yes, a salesman selling storybooks stood on the doorstep. Karan told him politely that our parents were not home and asked him to call at another time. Okay, so Karan, he told to the salesman, our parents are not here, we will call you some other time for buying books. He came back inside and told me about the salesman. Who came inside? Karan came inside and told to whom? Told to Vikram that the salesman came with story books, a huge bag full of story books. I started to laugh. Who started to laugh? Yes, Vikram started to laugh. It's a pity he wasn't selling vegetable sandwiches, I said. Who said? Vikram said. He made fun on him because Karan was waiting for his favorite vegetable sandwiches. He went running for that, but who was there? Yes, the salesman was standing there. So he became upset. So that's why Vikram asked this way to him to make him fun. I know, said Karan. Karan said, I know, but I am feeling really hungry. I am really hungry. Who was hungry? Yes, Karan was hungry. I will get you something to eat, I said. Who said that? Vikram said, I will get you something to eat. I went to the kitchen. Who went to the kitchen? Vikram went to the kitchen to get some cookies and milk for Karan. Vikram went to the kitchen to get some cookies and milk for Karan. Immediately I noticed. Who noticed? Vikram. A foul smell throughout the kitchen. Foul smell means very bad smell. Straight away I knew that it was a gas leak. Suddenly he understood that there is a gas leakage in the kitchen. So I recalled that Mom had told me about the foul smell that comes if there is a gas leak. So his mother already told him that if there is a gas leakage in the home, suddenly you will feel a foul smell. So he understood suddenly there is a gas leakage in the house. She had even told me, who? Vikram's mother. She had even told me about what precautions should be taken in such a situation. So mother, she had already taught Vikram how to solve such a situation, or how to behave in such a dangerous situation. What she said? If you smell gas, don't switch on the light in the kitchen. So if you feel smell of gas, don't on the light in the kitchen. Open all the windows and doors to ventilate the room. So next, what you want to do? Open all the windows and doors so that all the gas which is present in the room, it will go outside, and let the accumulated gas escape outside. So if you open windows and doors, what will happen? The accumulated, gathered or collected gas, it will go outside and ventilate the room. Ventilate means to allow fresh air to circulate through a room. So if you open the windows and doors, through there the fresh air will come inside. Then check the regulator valve and the stove knobs.